Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Tim Brown, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use video to close more prospects on construction-wise. And part of what I've noticed with video is people sometimes might wonder, hey, you're spending a lot of time on video. Is it, are you getting thousands of views? Not necessarily. I spend a lot of time on video, maybe even to just get 100 views across all channels, but part of the reason I do it is, one, you need to become somebody people like, know, and trust. And by putting your face in front of people and having eye contact with people and educating and entertaining along the way, you're able to do that much quicker. And B, by being familiar with people that are already customers or just friends of ours or things like that, we're able to get more referrals because people are used to seeing us and they're reminded of our business. So I'm gonna give you 3 principles to close more deals from video. 1, educate and just talk about things that you know that you're good at. Because sometimes people think they have to go crazy in depth, but people don't necessarily understand what you do. So by just being there and educating about the simple things about your business, showing your process, just answering frequently asked questions, that's powerful. Number 2, I think that it's easy to find topics if you understand the basics of keyword research. So we use a tool called Ahrefs, or Ahrefs.com, and it just allows you to figure out what people are searching the most. And that's a powerful way to do it. And if you just want to get started right away, what are people asking you? What have people asked you more than once in your sales process? Do a video about that. Number 3, your videos don't have to be fancy. Yes, I have a decent camera, and yes, you can use a stabilizer. Yes, you can use all kinds of cool technical things to make your videos better over time. But if you just pull out your phone right now and send a quick personalized video to a prospect of yours, that's powerful in the sales process. And video is just a quick way to kind of show your passion for what you do, and it is very powerful. So use video to help people like, know, and trust you. And number 2, just get in front of people more often, educate and entertain. And the people that are gonna refer you business are gonna be more familiar with you and more likely to refer you when they hear of somebody that needs what you do. So thank you for joining me for this episode, and join us next time for Construction Wise. Bye.